Mangrove biodiversity. Mangrove swamps in Malaysia's coastal areas are vital ecosystems that bridge land and sea, playing a key role in supporting biodiversity. These unique habitats are home to a wide variety of flora and fauna, including fish, crustaceans, birds, and endangered species. They serve as critical breeding and nursery grounds for marine life, act as natural coastal barriers against erosion and storms, and store large amounts of carbon. Mangrove swamps are not only essential for maintaining ecological balance, but also for supporting local communities and global biodiversity conservation efforts.
There are 586,036 hectares of mangrove forest in Malaysia. Among them, 57% of it is in the state of Sabah, amounting to 334,040 hectares, while 26% in the Sarawak as much as 152,369 hectares. In addition, in Semenanjung, Malaysia has 17% with an area of 99,626 hectares.
Major threats to mangrove. 1. Deforestation and land conversion. Effect on mangroves. Clearing mangroves for agriculture or development destroys habitats, weakens coastal protection, and reduces biodiversity. Effect on marine species. Loss of habitat for juvenile fish, crabs, and other species that rely on mangroves for shelter and food, leading to decreased survival rates. 2. Pollution. Effect on mangroves. Pollutants from agriculture, chemicals, and plastics degrade water quality, harming mangrove roots and stunting growth. Effect on marine species. Toxins and plastic debris poison marine species, disrupt reproductive cycles, and harm organisms relying on mangroves for shelter and nursery grounds. Effect on humans. Disturbing human health because food sources from mangrove swamps, such as fish and shellfish that have been contaminated, can cause food poisoning. 3. Climate change and rising sea levels. Effect on mangroves. Rising sea levels and extreme weather submerge mangroves, alter salinity, and disrupt growth, leading to tree loss. Effect on marine species. Loss of mangrove habitats for juvenile species, increasing exposure to predators and reducing population numbers.
Hello everyone, this is our group reflection on mangrove ecosystem. Deforestation impact on mangrove ecosystem are some of the most valuable ecosystems on Earth. But deforestation is causing serious harm. Let's look at 4 major ways this is happening. First, the loss of biodiversity. Mangroves are home to a wide variety of species, like fish, crabs, shrimp, and birds. When you destroy mangroves, these animals lose their habitat. This can lead to population declines and in some cases even extinction. Coastal erosion. Mangroves act as natural shields for our coastline. These dense root systems hold the soil together, protecting the shore from erosion. When mangroves are removed, the soil washes away, increasing erosion and putting coastal communities at risk. The third point are increased flooding and storm damage. Mangroves reduce the impact of storms and flooding by absorbing wave energy. Without them, areas near the coast are much more exposed to floods, storms, surge, and even tsunami. But in Malaysia, we only have flood. My last point are decline in fisheries. Mangroves are nurseries for many fish and shellfish. They provide a safe place for young fish to grow and feed. When mangroves are destroyed, fish populations shrink, which harms local fisheries and the people who rely on them. In conclusion, mangroves are vital for wildlife, coastlines, and communities. Protecting them means protecting our future.
Value biodiversity of mangrove.
The mangrove ecosystem has its own unique value that we need to focus on the project. That importance of biodiversity, which is mangrove are one of the habitat and necessary area for marine life, such as we can look at here like this. It's one of marine life. Where is my shell? I just found a fallen leaf, and mangrove tree bridge contribute nutrient to marine environment. Therefore, it is very important to conserve the protect mangrove from threat for the survival of the marine life and maintain the sustainable of the earth and ecosystem. Good.